known as DNA! Hello guys, welcome to the Star Magic Spotlight Press Con. Kindly introduce yourselves and say hi to everyone.
Hi, I'm Esri.
I'm Julia.
I'm Tasha.
And we are
DNA! Well, we're so happy to have you guys here. Thank you very much for giving us some of your time. We can't wait to get to know you more. Kasi before, na-introduce na kayo sa isang press con with other Star Magic artists also, yung nag-contract signing kayo. But now, it's time to dive in deeper, right? Okay, but before that, baka may mga first time kayong makilala. So, let's talk about your name first. Okay, DNA. What does it mean? Where did it come from? Bakit DNA?
So DNA actually refers to the genetic kind of DNA, the helix. And we chose the name DNA because it represents our bond as sisters because we share the same DNA. Music runs in our blood, it's in our DNA.
Yes. Kaya naman yung parang hand sign nyo, parang DNA, di ba? Parang helix, tama ba?
Yes, but we're still workshop.
Ah, okay. So, hindi pa official. May nakikita kasi akong clips din na parang, we are DNA. Tapos parang may helix na sa kamay. So, hindi pa po official yon. Let's wait for the official launch. Okay, so now let's talk about your music naman. What is DNA sound?
DNA sound is very pop, but with some influences of R&B, a little bit more dance pop, upbeat, with some rap and hip hop influences also.
So, dun sa mga hindi pa po nakapanood yung kanilang performance sa ASAP, gano'n, hindi lang po sila basta singers. Kasi diba dun sa AVP natin, nakita natin na you guys come from a musically inclined family, but you're also dancers. Parang lahat na ng talents ay kinuha ninyo. Okay. So, can you tell us about your background in dancing naman?
Actually, I feel like we don't really have an extensive background in dancing. We only started dancing for this. We started training, and we're still learning. We're still in the basics of it, but yeah.
we all started dancing in like school performances and things like that, or when we were super young. So it's really just now that we're learning how to, the basics and things.
So, sa school performances, diba, you perform as sisters na rin?
Never. Like in our individual classes.
Yeah. So, ngayon lang talaga kayo naging group? Oh, wow. Okay. So, ngayon naman na tayo sa singing backgrounds ninyo. Okay. So, hindi naman lahat ng parents na singers, naging singers din yung children, di ba? Hindi siya automatic. Ano yung ginagawa ng parents mo, yun yung ginagawa ng children. So, in your case, guys, when did you start discovering na, oh, this is also what I want to do. This is also my world.
I think for all of us, we all really love performing. When we were younger, we would do runways, we would dance and sing to different shows, but we never took it seriously. Because ayaw talaga din ng mami na mag-showbiz or anything kami. So we found ways to perform na lang in school. And then that's kind of how it blossomed into this, right?
And as we didn't directly say that we wanted it, but we grew up around our tita going to her concert and dad who did production and the musical arrangement for it, so we'd watch and we'd want that too, but they never pushed us to do any of it. It was just natural. Like karaoke at the house, performing with our parents, it's just, yeah.
So, sinasama lang kayo, pero hindi naman kayo pinupush. So, the desire to enter this industry really came from you three. You really wanted this. But it's so nice na, di ba, you also finished your studies first, or you're still studying then. Oh, sino nga yung still studying? Ikaw, no? Pero kayo graduates na kayo, di ba? Okay. So, ikaw pinagsasabay mo. Working student ka na pala ngayon, Tasha.
On a little break.
Little break. Yes, okay. So now let's talk about, syempre, ang lahat inaabangan. Are you gonna be releasing an album anytime soon?
So you can expect a EP or album around second quarter next year, and we're putting a lot of effort into preparing for it. So,
Abangan, okay, abangan. Pero sa ngayon, abangan natin kung ano nga ba yung mga questions ng ating media friends for you guys. Are you guys ready? Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Is this your first solo press con? Yes.
I didn't even know there's yes. Oh, okay.
Kasi before yung press con natin, may kasama kayong ibang mga Star Magic artists. So, first solo press con yung ready na kayo. Ito na.
Yes.
Tatanungin na nila kayo. Okay. So to our media friends, we'd like to open the floor for your questions. Okay, unahin natin para hindi kayo masyado mabigla. Ako muna yung magtatanong. This is a question from Mikey Venus. And I'll be reading the question. So, uso ang mga collab ngayon. Sino-sino ang mga gusto ninyong maka-collab with maybe soon sa shows or upcoming projects ninyo? Okay, collab na yun. Sino?
You know, we want to collab with any of our P-pop co-workers and our friends, like 1621, Rai, Beanie is like ultimate goal, and BGY is all of us in one song, all the P-pop all together.
Wow! 1621, Rive, Beanie, BGYO, and DNA in one song. Wow! Okay, so there, that's the P-pop side. Who else would you like to collab with? Okay, Julia and Ezra.
I think also for me, I've been following SB19 for so long that, oh, it would be such a dream to work with them.
SB19 for Ezri and Julia.
I think for me, I think Beanie is like my dream collab. Because I've been a fan of them since like the coconut na.
Talaga ano yun pre-debut yun OG Bloom po si Julia. Oo, okay. So talagang nasa P-pop world yung mga naiisip ninyo. Well, sobrang hindi malayong mangyari. Yes, it's within reach, so we're gonna wait for that. Okay, next question naman ni Mikey. Do you feel the pressure, especially now that you're getting known as the nieces of Miss Regine Velasquez?
I think there's definitely a lot of pressure, especially because we know how much everybody loves our people so much, and we love her even more. But there's nothing we can do about things like being prepared for the expectations, because we understand them. But the only thing that we can control is the effort that we put in to kind of, you know, put out the music and do our best in performing. So we also want to make our tita and our tita's fans and everybody proud to be artists, to be our own artists also.
Very beautiful answer, no? Acknowledging na yes, it's normal naman, but yung makakontrol nyo lang talaga are your efforts. Tama naman. So, can you tell us, parang concrete examples na paano nyo na nararamdaman yung pressure? Like, what do people say na parang nararamdaman nyo na, oh, grabe, iba na to.
I remember when we were first launched, there were comments that were like, oh, for sure magaling vocals nila kasi obviously kita nila. I'm like, oh, the pressure, what if it doesn't live up to their expectations? So yeah.
May mga ganun, for sure. Kasi nga, it runs in your DNA. Oo, pero ang ganda na na-handle nyo naman. Especially you guys have each other naman to support each other and to help each other go through it.
And our family has always been so supportive. Like our tita is our biggest supporter.
Tsaka tama, di ba parang nag-guest kayo? Or nag-collab na kayo, no, ni Mr. G?
Opo, we guested in her Super Divas concert.
Yes, can you tell us about that experience?
It's crazy. We didn't think we would, be exposed like that in Araneta for like our first live performance. So it was crazy.
Napanood niyo ba yun? As in, nag-collab na sila. Ang ganda. Para sa mga hindi pa nakapanood nun, ano yung kinanta ninyo with Mr. G?
Starting when I grow up, we had a dance break with her.
And like Jenny.
When I Grow Up and Like Jenny. Oh, okay. So, very talagang pang girl group. So, ginawa niyo pang girl group si Mr. G. I love it. Okay. Now, doon naman tayo sa next question from Mikey Venus also. Ito, parang nabanggit mo pa kanina. Kapapasok lang ng new housemates for PBB Collab 2.0. And it seems same sila ng age ninyo. Did you have any interest to join PBB?
Never openly, but when I saw all my friends opportunities there if I'm allowed. Yeah, I'd be open to it.
O usually, di ba may mga pumapasok ng PBB in the middle of the season? Di ba? Why not? Guest housemate, pwede rin. Oo, Miss Love. Ay, shout out to Miss Kakay pala. Miss Kakay. Sino dun yung friends ninyo sa mga housemates ngayon?
Well, all of our batchmates are there, but my closest are Carmela and Joaquin.
Carmela and Joaquin. Lela? Lela Ford, yeah. And Joaquin Arce.
Opo. And then of course, Inigo
Inigo
kasi
also.
are also batchmate. And
Carmel.
Carmel. Yes.
There, oo, Carmel Collado. Okay, so mga friends niyo pala. So nanonood kayo? Sinusubaybayan niyo ngayon?
Yes.
Exciting, right? Ang dami na nabubuo sa loob. I love it. Okay, thank you. Ngayon naman, for the next question, this is from Robert Requintina of Manila Bulletin. Having famous relatives, na-experience na ba ninyo ang failure, like auditions, etc. sa career ninyo? Paano ninyo nahahandle ito? Failures, let's talk about failures. Grabe, umpisa pa lang. Nag-umpisa pa lang sila, pero for sure, di ba, like growing up, ano yung mga na kaharap ninyong failures, etc.
Well, this kind of started because I started auditioning for like international stuff, and because of that, I actually started kind of old. I was 18, and you know the standard is you look for younger people, so I've been told that I started doing it too old. So when I told my teacher that, actually, that's why it started happening. So yeah, I think it was failure, but it's also a blessing because I don't know if this would ever happen if that never came.
Blessing in disguise, no? Na you were rejected there, but it opened the door to new opportunities. And that's why we have you here today. Okay, how about you, Julia?
I feel like in terms of performance and failures, I'm always scared. I have a big fear of failure, so I don't put myself out there.
Okay.
I play everything so safe. So everything I've done, I don't know, I'm very cautious so that I avoid failure. But yeah.
So far, naingatan mo pa yung sarili mo. No failures yet.
No failures yet. Because I try not to.
Okay, how about you, Ezri?
I think after performing for a while, syempre there's some negative feedback, and I think the only thing that we can do is kind of take in the valid criticism, and sometimes it's okay to feel your feelings and be disappointed, but for me, I prefer to just I'll cry it out, I'll feel my feelings, and then I'll use that as motivation to work harder. That's the only thing you can do at this stage. Just let your emotions out and then move on and just do better the next day.
Saan nyo nakita yung, or saan nyo nakuha yung ganitong mindset na you know how to handle everything na na-advise mo ba kayo ng parents, ng your relatives, or is this something that you as sisters talked about? Kasi alam nyo grabe yung papasukin yung mundo eh, di ba? I mean, dati pa naman kayo nasa mundong to. Sabi mo nga, sinasama-sama na kayo. Pero iba yung kayo na talaga, yung artists na nasa spotlight.
Well, actually, since the beginning, they warned us and prepped us for what's to come. Because obviously we know that there's a lot of expectations, a lot of people have opinions, but even though we can prepare as much as we can, we know that it will be different when we see it, and it has happened, and we reacted, we felt our feelings, but at the end of the day, we know that people also have valid points to what they're saying, and we just kind of take it and work on it ourselves.
Yeah, and just to add, there's this saying that our dad has been saying for so many years, never stop learning, and no matter how much you think you know everything, you'll never know everything. So with every failure, there's always something to learn from and grow from.
Yes, Tasha.
Also, on another note, it's also easy to take criticisms and stuff like that because our mom likes to say she's our biggest basher. And she's also our biggest basher. So she'll tell us to our face every little detail that she thinks is wrong. And we know she means it from like a good place.
A lot of Filipinos would relate, di ba? Yung unang-unang pinakamalaking yung basher natin talaga, pamilya natin eh. Kaya naging strong na rin tayo. Kasi kung ano man yung sasabihin ng ibang tao, for sure nasabi na yan ng mga close sa atin. So ready na tayo. So kapag nabash tayo ng ibang tao, that's nothing. Nalaman ko na yun from my mom. Okay, so ngayon naman, let's talk about your dynamics as a group. Like, who is like the one who usually makes decisions? Sino yung nag-lead sa inyo? Kumusta yung dynamics niyo?
Julia is the most decisive. I feel like if there's any issue or question that's asked about what to do, Julia is the first person to answer.
Has it always been like that sa inyong sisterhood o dito lang sa pagiging DNA?
It's always been like that, and it's our personalities also. Julia's very like, she's like our mom. She knows exactly what she wants, and for all of us also. So,
Kahit na hindi siya yung eldest, no? Talagang ikaw yung mas mommy. Okay, okay. How about ikaw, Ezri? Ano naman yung naging role mo sa group?
I think, well, for me, I just write the songs.
Driver.
she is the driver. She drove us here today, so she drives us every day through the train.
Wow. Driver and writes the songs also. Okay.
Compose.
And Tasha, aside from being the pink-haired member,
Comedic relief.
gusto ko yung ikaw magsabi. Ikaw magsabi, hindi pwedeng sa akin manggaling.
Yeah, I feel like I provide a fun time because she's more serious, as she's more calm and doesn't talk. I'm just fun.
Yeah, well, nakikita naman natin yan. And of course, mas makikita pa natin yan in their next projects, in their next contents na ilalabas. Pero ngayon, meron tayong question naman from our YouTube viewer, Angeli Dominic. Do you see yourself doing acting? Again, like your tita ha, hindi lang siya singer. Ang dami rin movies ni Miss Regine. Kayo ba nakikita niyo rin sa sarili niyo magiging ganon?
Maybe in the future.
So, open.
Open po, but not yet. Maybe in the future. I'd like to do theater acting. Yes.
So, may musical aspect ka rin.
Opo.
Have you ever tried any kind of acting before?
For me, I also did some theater acting. We had our acting workshops also.
And Tasha?
I have never, so I don't know if I'd be into acting. I just want to be in like a music video, no words, or like on a horse, hair flowing in the wind, just like, yeah.
Oo nga, acting din naman yung mga sa music videos, di ba? Kailangan nyo na umawa-aura doon. Oo, okay. Now, I have another question from our online viewers. Yes. Ito naman yung sa position niyo sa group. What is your position in your group? From YouTube, PC, Rhonda. Okay. So, di ba usually kapag sa mga groups, meron main leader, main dancer, main vocalist, leader, magne, mga ganon. So, kayo ba, meron ba kayong na-assign na ganong positions?
We have no official roles, so I'm just the bunso.
Kasi hindi na mababago yan eh. Alam na siya na yung gawin natin bunso.
In the middle.
Middle, fake panganay. We still have an older sister.
Ah, really?
Opo.
Oh, wow. Okay. So, abangan po natin yan. Kasi usually kapag bago pa lang yung grupo, hindi pa talaga na-establish yun eh. Okay, ito naman. Ay! From Freya of Facebook. Sino ang local celebrity crushes ninyo? Hindi kayo pinalampas. Local daw talaga. Para reachable. Within reach.
Actually, I think we can all agree on Donnie Pangilinan.
All three of you, Dory Pangilinan.
I think for me, also from the last PBB, si Shubi Etrata.
Shuvi! So Shuvi and her TDH. Dory Pangilinan. May I ask saan ang galing itong unanimous decision ninyo na Dory, parang growing up ba? Sabi growing up. May pinanood ba kayo together na show niya?
Actually, I watched He's Into Her, both seasons, and I kept trying to make them watch it also. And yeah, you did? Okay. And she was very excited to see Donnie in the Star Magic games.
Oh, okay. So na-meet niyo na siya? O from afar lang?
I met him.
Naku, nakalamang. Nakalamang ko si Julia.
Super Divas.
Sa dressing room. Okay. Pero hindi mo sila kasama nun. Ay, tinago mo. Hindi mo sinabi. Sino si Don?
Umalis nila.
Sayang. Okay. So what happened when you met him?
I don't know, I just had a picture and then I went away. I was scared. I didn't know what to do.
Nakinig talaga dun sa boses niya yung kilig eh, no? I don't know. I just can't. Ang cute. Okay, so kayo, you have yet to meet Don pala. Okay, sige.